Gold is shining brighter with prices skyrocketing this year. Even economists believe that it is time for gold investors to sell. But some remain cautious, worried about a sudden crash. Mon Gualvez with the full report.
From necklace to ring to bracelet, 59-year-old Jimmy Soriano is virtually wrapped in gold. But he still couldn't get enough of this very valuable possession. We caught sight of Jimmy checking out more gold pieces at Arranque in Manila. He is just one of many Filipinos who now believe gold is a sensible investment these days.
Ang dati ang gold, nasa 1,003 lang per gram. Ngayon, magkano na ang per gram ngayon? 6,000 mahigit. So, nagiging triple na ang presyo. Masigit pa sa langis. Pag kapos ka biglaan sa pera, ano na yan, kasunahan mo na agad dyan. Na pwede mo isanla, pwede mong ibenta.
Jimmy was drawn to another necklace supposedly to add to his collection. He did not disclose to us how much the piece actually cost. Jimmy did say though that this was more expensive than his last purchase, which was not a long time ago. In the end, he did not buy anything for this gold run. But that does not mean Jimmy is not coming back this side of Manila.
Jackpot. Tumama ka na sa jackpot, nanalo na agad yung parang piso mo, tamang 100. Pag damit ng binili mo, kinabukasan, wala na, depreciate na yan, pati sasakyan. Pero ang gold, habang aabutin ng apo mo yan, tumataas ang presyo. O ngayon, ito na nga.
According to jewelers here in Arranque, the price of gold started to increase again by mid-September. Last year, a gram of gold is just around 3,000 pesos. But now, this price has almost doubled. Because of that, for instance, a necklace with around 12.7 grams of gold bought for 44,000 pesos 5 years ago could now be worth around 70,000 pesos when sold and just a little less if pawned. Richard, a gold seller, attributes the sudden rise in gold prices to geopolitical tensions.
Nakaka-apekto talaga sa pagtaas yung gera sa ibang bansa kasi nag-hoard sila ng ginto. Tsaka possible din yung tariff ni Trump. Nahihirapan silang mag-angkat ng gold dahil sa tariff. So tumataas yung tax. Yung dati kasi pag nagtaas ang gold, weekly, 10 pesos, 20 pesos, weekly yun ha. Pinakamalaki na siguro 50 pesos per gram. Ngayon, hundreds ang taas. Daily.
That should have been good news, except gold sellers here in Arranque, as well as in Ongpin, find this as a reason to be even more cautious.
Natatakot kami kasi the more na tumataas yung gold, nangangamba kami kung may bibili pa ba or meron pa bang mag-accept ng gold natin. Kasi nga sobrang taas, hindi natin alam kung kaya pa ba ng tao yung demand ng price ng gold.
Ngayon po dahil tumaas, so konti na lang din po yung nakukuha namin kasi nga po ang taas na po masyado ng gold. Tsaka nag-worry po kami, baka mamaya bigla pong bumaba. Kasi po malulugi po kami pag gano'n po.
Economist John Paulo Rivera is a senior research fellow with the Philippine Institute for Development Studies. He confirms that the biggest driver of world gold prices now is the current crisis in the Middle East and the expected downtrend of interest rates in the United States.
Kapag ang interest rate ay bumababa, lumilipat ka sa isang investment na stable. At isa dito ay ginto. Sa pangalawa naman, kapag inflation ang pinag-uusapan natin, o kaya yung mga geopolitical tensions o mga kaguluhan, nagtutulak kasi yung mga tao na bumili ng ginto bilang panangga sa pagbaba ng halaga ng kanilang pera.
Rivera also explains that gold is generally considered a safe investment. That's because it's non-renewable, which means that its value does not decrease over time.
So kapag bumababa ang presyo ng pera, ng salapi, kailangan mong lumipat sa isang instrument, sa isang bagay na makakapag-store, makakapagtago ng halaga ng yung value ng salapi, at isa dito ay ginto. Hindi naman abundant ang ginto. So dahil ito ay limitado lamang, hindi lahat ng tao makakakuha ng sapat na dami ng ginto. So dahil doon nag-aagawan tayo sa ginto, tumataas yung presyo.
Indeed, a golden investment opportunity for those who believe that gold retains its purchasing power no matter the economic season. For News 5, Mon Gualvez, we are One News.